I have a Chevy Trax here. This one, something fell on the roof. I'm not sure what happened, but it's caved in. This whole area is all crushed. So this one's going to get a new roof skin. I have a tarp going through the middle of the car to protect the interior from all the grinding and crap going in there. And I'll put welding blankets down before I start welding on it, cover it all again. Have my new roof here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this roof off. I'm going to first protect these outer roof rails with some gaffer's tape. So I have this roof temporarily sitting on here. I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna mark where all of my MIG welds are so I can clean off all those areas down to bare metal. And then this thing will be ready to go on. Alright, well I have this roof sitting up on there ready to weld. Now I have to get a bunch of welding blankets to get everything covered real well before I start zapping this roof on. Luckily I have a ton of blankets here, so. So anytime you have bare metal where windshield urethane goes, like across here, the windshield urethane lays down, you have to put down epoxy primer, which is what I'm doing right here, because that's what they want down to put the urethane on top of. So I'm going to coat all this bare metal with epoxy. All right, off to prep and paint for this one. Oh, gotta hook the battery back up. Anytime you're welding on a car, you want to disconnect the battery. Now, off the paint.